What if you could know exactly which products will explode in 2026 before your competitors even hear about them? Today, we are diving straight into the minds of top Alibaba manufacturers. These are the people who produce millions of units every month and know what big brands are secretly preparing to launch next year. These are not guesses. These are manufacturer-backed predictions based on real bulk orders, factory trends, and insider demand spikes. Alibaba manufacturers have a unique advantage. They see product trends months, sometimes even years, before they hit the market. Why? Because they receive bulk orders from major brands, prototype requests for new product categories, rising demand from global retailers, and data from thousands of repeat buyers. They also see new molds, patents, and technologies before anyone else. Manufacturers do not guess product trends. They produce them. In 2026, these insights are more valuable than ever. Manufacturers are reporting a massive spike in micro-automation devices, products that make life easier with tiny, artificial intelligence-powered features. Top items trending for 2026 include smart motion sensors, artificial intelligence-powered door monitors, mini temperature controllers, smart plug-in diffusers, and portable home automation hubs. These products are cheap to produce, have high perceived value, are perfect for bundles, and are TikTok-friendly for demonstrations. This category is huge for dropshipping and private label brands. The wellness industry is booming, and manufacturers say 2026 will be dominated by portable recovery tools. The top upcoming winners are micro-massage guns, cold therapy rollers, smart posture devices, compression wraps, and calming LED therapy gadgets. These products fit perfectly into fitness channels, wellness stores, influencer bundles, and subscription boxes. Demand is being driven by Generation Z's obsession with wellness precision, making this a category to watch closely. Manufacturers are reporting huge orders from United States and European brands for multifunctional kitchen gadgets that save time. Trending items include artificial intelligence, timer cooking tools, multi-purpose slicers, smart thermometers, electric seasoning mills, and foldable prep tools. These products dominate TikTok because they combine satisfying visuals, clear problem-solving, and strong impulse buy potential. This niche is always profitable, and 2026 will only amplify its success. Pet owners do not just spend, they invest in their pets. Manufacturers are seeing explosive growth in premium pet accessories. Top trending items for 2026 include luxury pet beds, smart feeding bowls, travel carriers, grooming devices, and no-spill portable water bottles. The pet niche is recession-proof, and loyalty to aesthetic product design is rising fast, making this a smart market to enter. This niche is secretly exploding, especially on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Manufacturers report high bulk orders for interior LED lighting, car organizers, anti-fog mirrors, cleaning mini tools, and steering wheel trays. These products look amazing in short videos, solve real driver problems, have low production costs, and fit easily in small warehouses. They are perfect for dropshippers, Amazon FBA, and private labels. With outdoor hobbies growing, manufacturers expect a big trend spike in personal energy devices. Trending 2026 items include mini solar chargers, pocket power stations, foldable camping tools, portable cooking gear, and wind-powered lanterns. These products have consistently high demand on Alibaba and are perfect for influencer collaboration. Do not just trust the trends, validate them. Use artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT to predict buyer intent, Google Trends to check demand, and Alibaba dashboards to track supplier volume. Artificial intelligence removes 90% of the guesswork. According to manufacturers, the products with the best margins are smart home mini gadgets, kitchen tools, pet accessories, car interior add-ons, and portable wellness devices. Why? Low production cost, high perceived value, easy branding opportunities, and low shipping weight. Profit margins often range from 220% to 600%.